Hey guys, what's up? It's the Nomad Brad, and I have another affiliate program review for you. So this is for Alex Becker. So if you don't know who he is, I think he is probably the best marketing teacher out there right now. He's really awesome. I use a lot of his products and I've taken a lot of his trainings. But what a lot of people don't know is that you can actually make money as an affiliate by promoting his offers. So he doesn't have a lot. I saw a post recently that, he said they're not like super affiliate friendly right now. But I have promoted his offers and I have actually made money doing it. So I think they're pretty awesome. And just a lot of people that are fans of his or watch his content don't know that you can actually become an affiliate. So if you want to be an Alex Becker affiliate, then I've built a little resource for you here. So by the way, I'm working on building what I think will be the best list of affiliate offers to promote ever. I know that's ambitious, but I'm going to do it. So here, if you go to my blog, digitalnomadrockstar.com/affiliate, I'll have a link here and below the video as well. Then it's going to come to this page. Now, I've just started it out, so it's kind of you're just seeing the beginnings here. But basically, I'm going to take all the most popular, profitable affiliate offers that I can find and put them all in one place. So if you came here, you might just want to know about Alex Becker's offers, but there are some other ones here that you can learn how you can promote them and make money. So you can click on these. It's going to be much bigger in the future, you'll see. But anyways, so I built a page for Alex Becker's programs. There's a few. So let me explain them real quick. All right, so you can go here and first off, you can promote Market Hero. So Market Hero is Alex Becker's software, his email marketing software. If you're not familiar with that, then it's amazing. I use it in my main business, and I think it's really awesome. It does a lot of things that other autoresponders don't do. It's got tons and tons of features, and if you're a fan of Alex Becker, you've heard him talk about it before. So what's really cool is you can actually recommend people to use it, and you can get a referral fee for each person that you sign up. I think you make 30% of their monthly recurring commission, so it's pretty awesome. So let's check that out actually. So if you go here, click on the Alex Becker affiliate programs link. And this will look better later. I just threw this up today. I'll make it look better, but I just wanted to get it out there because one thing it's kind of hard to find is affiliate programs. I didn't actually know he had them for a while. Number two, it's just nice to have them all in one place. Okay, so let's check out the Market Hero affiliate program. Just click on that link. And so here's where you sign up. You just put in your first name, last name, and email. And so basically, here's the deal with the Market Hero affiliate program. Sign up to promote us and receive 30% recurring commissions for life on any sales. If you'd like to sign up or promote our special offers or webinars, go here. Okay, so that page doesn't work right now, but I'll show you how to get to those. So yeah, that's how you promote that. They basically just give you one link, which goes to the basic landing page for Market Hero, and yeah, I've made a couple referrals, and it's pretty awesome, especially if the person signing up has a big email list. They might be, Market Hero starts out at $97. Unless you're a member of Hero Sales Academy, which I'll tell you about in a second, then you can actually get a special deal if you're inside the members area. But mostly it starts out at $99, I think, or $97. And then it grows as your list grows, just like all email autoresponder products. So, if somebody brings in a list with 100,000 people, they might be paying, $1,000 to $2,000 per month, and you're going to make 30% of that. So that's pretty cool. And even at the basic level, you'll make 30% of $100 basically. So you make $30 a month recurring. It's pretty awesome, pretty easy to recommend. I mean, it's a very, very awesome, very cool product. He's done a lot of marketing for you. So for example, if you were to make some YouTube videos talking about the different functions, the features of Market Hero, I have one that has actually made me a referral. So, I definitely could make way more because now I've gotten to learn how Market Hero works, and there's a lot of people out there who want to know. They have really great training on the inside, but some people like to check it out before they buy it or whatever. So you could definitely, guaranteed, you could just build a YouTube channel where you're just reviewing Market Hero features. So you could get the product, yourself, and then review the features and talk about everything and just become like a Market Hero expert and publish all that on YouTube, and you would make referrals, guaranteed. So that's one way as far as traffic goes to promote the Market Hero program. Very easily done on YouTube. There's lots of keywords. There's a little bit of competition, but not much. And yeah, so you could compare Market Hero to other autoresponders. You could say Market Hero versus GetResponse, and then that would be a really good one. You could just say Market Hero review. I just made one showing how to build an autoresponder because I kind of found it confusing there for a second in the beginning. So one good method for creating content is to just create whatever you're going through at the time, right? So I just created this page, so I thought, hey, I'll make a YouTube video and share it with you guys, because there's hopefully somebody out there, one of you watching, is going to be like, oh my gosh, I love Alex Becker, I use all of his products, I didn't know I could make money as an affiliate. I'll easily recommend it to people, or I have a big channel, or I have a big email list that would love this stuff. All right, so let's talk about the second program you can promote. It's called Hcom 2020. And so this is one of, I think, one of Becker's best-selling programs ever. It's just he marketed the heck out of it and made a lot of sales, made a lot of money. So you can see here, get 50% commission with every sale you make as an affiliate from this proven 1 million per month from cold traffic automated webinar. So he made a lot of money. It's a very, very good offer. And it's pretty simple. It's just set up through the ClickFunnels affiliate system. If you're familiar with that, he gives you training here, gives you an intro to the product and how you might promote it, etc. And then, you just go through this stuff, fill out all this information, create your account, and then hold on just a second. I'll show you the inside too. All right, so this is the inside of the affiliate program here. He gives you a couple of links. One is, to the webinar actually that promotes this. It's a really, really good, great content. People will be very, very happy that they watched it. They learn a ton. I went through the webinar and I actually bought the program and I used the program and it works. It's really an amazing program. No problems promoting it whatsoever for me. It's truly awesome. He gives you more instructions, more in-depth instructions on how to promote it. There's some email swipe here, but he also teaches you in the training, how to do it better if you have a certain type of list. So that's the second program. I'll tell you about the last one. All right, so this is the last affiliate program here. It's called the Hero Sales Academy. And this is a really, really cool one to promote because it's a membership, so it's a recurring payment. So you may or may not be a part of this already, but basically Alex Becker has a training program that delivers new content every week or every month. It looks like every week. And it's a monthly ongoing coaching program basically. So he just teaches you everything you need to know to start a business online, from email marketing to ads to growing a YouTube channel to getting Facebook traffic. Basically, it's like his version of business in a box, like how to get started, how to get advanced, everything, drilled down into really nice tidbits of information and also really in depth. So it's a really, really amazing training program, and I think it's a bargain because the membership is only $47 a month. You can start with a free trial. But one of the perks of being in this training program is that you can actually promote the offer as an affiliate. So while you're building your business, while you're learning, how to set up an email list and how to do marketing and how to get traffic and how to build ads, you can actually make money, make additional money promoting the product that you're already using. So it's really easy to promote. It's easy for me to promote because I'm using it and I think it's awesome. So one of the perks of becoming a member is that you get to promote it as an affiliate. So that's the third offer. If you want to become a member of the Hero Sales Academy, I actually have an affiliate link below this video, and if you click on that, you'll sign up and get your free trial. I think it's 14-day trial, and then it's $47 a month after that. So if you sign up through my link, definitely appreciate that. I will make a commission, of course, but also if you sign up, you get access to this. You actually get to promote it as an affiliate. So yeah, it's pretty awesome. Pretty cool way to make some money. So those are the 3 Alex Becker affiliate programs that I know of. If you know of another one, if you know how to access the other ones, then let me know. But that's those are the ones that I know of. Also, there's a training video from Alex Becker himself on the page, just in case you want like a refresher of, you know, some strategies for affiliate marketing. I believe this is the one where he talks about how to promote his own products. Not positive, but anyways, anything you watch from Becker is great. So definitely check this out. Remember, go to www.digitalnomadrockstar.com/affiliate, and you can find this resource. Definitely bookmark it. It's going to be bigger and bigger as I have more time to work on it. I'm going to just keep building it out with programs that either I think are really interesting and promising, or have like a really good commission structure, or the ones that I've personally used and have personally made the most money of. So it'll be kind of a combination of all of those. And I just want to give you that list so that you have the best resources for going out there and doing affiliate marketing and making money, because, you know, that's what we're all trying to do. So thanks again for watching. Oh, and I would be really super excited if you left a comment below with any affiliate programs that you'd like to see on the list. That would be really cool, because every time I add one, I'll show you this real quick. I know I'm dragging on, but so every time you click on one, I'm going to build out a whole like resources center for each of those, you know, types of affiliate products. So this one is for all the ClickFunnels affiliate programs. So, you know, if you want to check all those out, I've got them all listed here with some, you know, resources and the different commission structures and all that stuff. I think it's pretty cool. I think you're going to like it. So come back, check out digitalnomadrockstar.com/affiliate. And thanks for watching. Subscribe if you'd like to get more cool affiliate marketing tips and tricks, traffic, stuff like that. Hit the bell icon so that you get every new video that comes out. And yeah, say hi in the comments. Thanks for watching.